Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is an abbreviation for the piping. Okay. During reading in isometric drawing, they have a lot of abbreviation in isometric drawing. So you must know the meaning of all abbreviation in the isometric drawing. So this is it. All this is only a partial only for the abbreviation in isometric drawing. This is a part 1, and we will start here for the ARV. Okay, so this the meaning of ARV is air release valve, and we have air supply, and also BD is a battery limit. So please check this my pencil, and please follow this pencil. This BDB, we have a blow down valve. BL, battery limit. BMS, so burner management system. This is a CI, chemical injection point. CC, corrosion coupon. CP, we have corrosion probe. So this DN, diameter nominal. DB, diverter valve. ESD, emergency shutdown. FB, so this is a full bore. FC, so this is a fail close. FF, foundation field bus. So FGS, this is a fire and gas system. Okay, so FQI, so the meaning of this FQI is flow indicator totalizer, fail open, flow safety valve. Okay, this is a flow safety valve. FSB, so GBC, so this is a valve close injection. GBO, so this GBO is valve open integration. GI, valve position indication. HB, hand control valve. HH, this is an hand pull from the top. So this is ZI. Big signaler. So XB, remote operated valve. USD, so this is a unit shutdown. USP, unit control panel. TSO, tight shut off. TGP, this is a turbine generator panel. PCP, this is a turbine control panel. So SY, this is a hydraulic shutdown relay from the top. So this is XB. We have meaning of electric solenoid valve. SIS or SIS, safety instrument system. SBB, shutdown valve. Okay. SC, this is a sample connection. RO, restriction orifice. RCU, remote control unit. So this is RCU. So this one is a PBSP. So the meaning of PBSP is pressure vacuum or safety valve. So PMS, so this is a PMCS, process monitoring control system. Okay, from the top. PLDS, okay, So this is a PLDS, this is a pipeline leak detection system. PLC, so this is a programmable logic control. OPS, operator's station. O NO, normally open and normally close. This NC, normally close, normally open from the valve. Okay. MW, manway. MOB, motor operated valve. MFAP, this is a master fire alarm panel. Okay. So this LCP, this is a local control panel. LCB, local level control valve. Okay. MCC, this is a motor control center. Okay, LC and LSO, LC and LO. So this is a lock close and lock open. Okay. This LC and LO, this is from the bulb, lock close and lock open. Okay. So next is OD. So you are familiarized from this OD. So this is outside diameter, orifice, OSB outside battery limit, POS, this is a point of support, PP, this is a personal protection. Okay, this is important for all workers. You must wear a complete safety gear or personal protection. Okay, so this is our rod, radius, and this excuse me, this is rupture disc, RAD. Okay, rupture disc, this is a radius, reference. So FO is a flow orifice, RTJ ring type joint. So RV pressure relief valve, socket, slip on flange, SP. This is a special piping system. Spec, so meaning this one is specification. Okay. SSEW, this is a safety shower eye wash. From the top, STR. So this STR is a strainer. This is a socket. Okay. Socket weld, suction, trap, threadolet, and this is a trunnion. Okay, and this is also familiarized. You have UG underground and we have AG above ground. Okay, so US utility station, and we have, so this is a vent, weld neck plants. Okay, weldolet, and this is a working point. Okay, so this all abbreviation is very important for the pipe fitter. Okay, you must know this, and this is a part 1 for the abbreviation, guys, and thanks for watching. We have a part 2 for this, and we have a lot of abbreviation for the piping, for the isometric drawings. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe. Just my channel is Piping Welding NDT channel. Just leave in a comment what is your comment here in my video. Bye bye, see you next time.